Euclid's Elements, Book 3, Proposition 34. From a given circle, to cut off a segment admitting an angle equal to a given rectilinear angle. So let us have a circle ABC, and let's have a given rectilinear angle D. So we want to create a segment in this circle that admits an angle equal to this given rectilinear angle. So at the point D, let's draw a line EF that touches at B. And from EB at point B, let's construct an angle equal to a given angle. So using Prop 123, we can create an angle at B, namely angle EBC equal to angle D. Now we have a line touching a circle, and from the point of contact in the circle, falling across the circle, we have a line BC. And we know from Book 3, Prop 32, when we have that situation, that the angle created between that line, that falling line, and the touching line, it's going to be equal to the angle contained by this segment. So we can create any angle we want inside this segment, but we know that the angle EBC will be equal to the angle in the alternate segment. So angle BAC. But EBC was made equal to angle D, therefore angle D is equal to BAC. And therefore we have created from this original circle, from circle ABC, we have created a segment, namely segment CAB, that admits of an angle equal to a given rectilinear angle. And that's exactly what we were supposed to do. So we can conclude our construction proof with QEF.